Hey everybody, what is going on? Sean here with the Tech Gremlin Warrior. So, if you're still emailing your photos, or maybe you're using WhatsApp to get files and photos from your iPhone to your PC, well, I'm here to tell you there is a better way. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to jump over to my computer and we are going to take a look at a very cool app. It's called LocalSend. Okay. And it is completely free. This is going to allow you to use no cables at all. You're just going to open up your phone and it's going to do it all on your local network. So you could be in the living room doing stuff and send files to your computer that's in your office. All right. No logging in. You do have to open the app, but it is stupid easy to use. So we are in the App Store on iPhone. What you're going to want to do is do a search for Local Send. LocalSend all together. And we'll go ahead and hit that. Now, the very first result that you get is not what you're looking for. We transfer files. What you want here is this option right here. It says local send. Now, what you're looking at here, excuse me, I've already installed it. So it's saying open. When you go to install it, it'll say in-app purchases. Again, don't be alarmed. It is completely free. It's saying in-app purchases because the developer of LocalSend does allow for donations in the way the App Store is set up. If you are bringing in income any way at all, even if it's just voluntarily, they need to have in-app purchases there. You'll never ever be bugged for, hey, a donation, will you pay me for this app? You'll never have that whatsoever. All right. So you're going to install it on your phone. Then what you want to do, you want to go to localsend.org. Let's get the phone out of the way here. Pop this open. Localsend.org is the website. You're going to do download. If you're on a Windows PC, it's going to recognize it right away. You're going to have a button here that says Windows. You don't even have to mess with that. These are just navigation buttons. You're already in the right place for Windows. If you're not, click on the Windows button. And then here you have the exe installer, which is what I would go ahead and what I used for my setup. You download it just like you do any other folder or any other application that you download. You go to your downloads folder. I like to right click it and do a install as admin. And then once it's installed, you should be ready to go. Now, if for any reason when you go to open it, there's going to be a prompt that says, hey, do you want to allow this app in through your firewall? Do you want it on the private network? Do you want it on the public network? Make sure it's on both. Okay. And if you have any issues at all, you're going to want to go into your firewall settings. And the best way to do that is, again, if you're using Windows 11, this might look a little bit different. I've got this set up like Windows 10. Normally, this start option here is over here in the middle. I've moved it over. There's an option in the settings to move it all over to the left, just like Windows 10 style, and that's the way I've got this set up. But you want to go to your Windows 11 start option, click on that, and just start typing firewall. Like I've said in many of my videos, usually the very top option, best match, is what is the correct option, and you just click on that. Now, once in here, you want to click on allow an app through a firewall. You click on that, and then you click on change settings, and then scroll down and look for local send, and it is right here. Mine has two of them for some reason. Um, just there's going to be one that should be checked already. And again, just make sure that both private and public is checked. Okay. All right. So now once you have that, you've got local send installed on your computer. You've got local send installed on your phone. I'm going to bring the phone back over. Now we're going to go ahead and just click on open. And we also want to make sure that local send is running on our computer. So I'm going to just go down here and just see, and I actually do have it running on my computer already. So if it's not, just open it. Again, Windows Start menu, local, just start typing it. There's local send, and just open it up. So what we are looking at here is I'm ready to receive, and my phone that we're looking at is called Big Pineapple. All right, so local send is just going to give random names to your phone and to your computer. You can leave them default. It's going to work just fine. If you want to change it, you could. I don't feel like changing it. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the send option right here. Okay, click on send. And see, cute pair is what my computer's name is. So it's finding it on the local network already. Again, if you don't see a device, it's cute pair number 45 Windows. Yours is going to be different. Again, that means there's something wrong with that firewall, and you'll want to go and tweak that. Now, what we want to do, we can actually send a media item. We can send a text. All right. If you look at this media text, we can do a paste. Let me scroll over. We can do a file. We can do a whole folder if we wanted to. We could actually just go in here and use the camera and do something silly like, let's take a picture of myself. And then we'll go to the picture. Okay. And just like you would normally do with any other phone, it's not showing it here with my Reflector app. You would use the upload button to upload to an app, and in there you can scroll through. You can scroll through and select local send. Now, when that happens, it's going to go and it's going to give you the option. As we can see, there's the image right there, and I can literally now just click on the computer here, and boom, the recipient is busy with another request. It's probably just because local send again is just not active. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to move this out of the way, and right there, I am done. Now, here's the cool part about this. All right, I've just sent it to my computer. Now, how often when you go to plug in your iPhone to your computer to get an image, you can't find it? Why? Because iPhone's got just it's just random. An iPhone doesn't put images into like the very top folder. It'll just pop it into whatever folder, and trying to hunt down a folder, an image or a video you just created is always a real pain in the neck. Well, with this, you go into your file explorer, you go into downloads, and right there, 422, there's the one I just took, and it's right there in your downloads. Super easy to find. And how cool is that? Again, very, very easy. It's a LocalSend app, completely free. You install it on your phone, install it on your computer, and no more wires, no more where these images go, and just so much easier to use. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having an amazing week.